Welcome back. Wherever you have your landing page set up, you can also set up a chat area. You're going to see here on the editing page within the landing pages, you can click on an element that says add a chat window. We can click on that element. That's going to bring you to this page. You're going to see an element here that says you can add get response chats. You're going to toggle on get response chats. What you will then do is to publish your page. That means now that on the landing page that you have set up, you're going to notice here on the bottom right-hand corner that an individual that has questions can click on this element. They can then write in their question. They can then click enter, and they will have a chat window open with you. When you come back inside of the landing page, you're going to notice then that you have a message in your inbox. You can click that element that says to read the new messages. What you can then do is you can answer the individual. If you are chatting with the individual, you can decide that you're going to mark this element as closed, and you can click on the chat button. The individual that you are chatting with will get your response. So basically, you can open a chat on your landing page and you can chat with individuals if they have questions. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.